Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add spotlight effect in mouse cursor Camtasia vocal C minor 144 BPM. So what I'm gonna do is firstly have to record a screen record from the Camtasia. You can otherwise it not work. You must record a video with Camtasia recorder. This one you can see. After that you can see the video recording here, and then all you have to just click on this more option, click on more, and then you'll find cursor effect. Click on cursor effect. Sometimes you may find the option here, sometimes if you don't find here you have to click on more and you can see the cursor effect. Now choose the highlight one, sorry, not highlight, you have to choose the spotlight one, this one. Okay, all you have to just left click from the mouse and drag it to the video. Okay, just left click from the mouse and drag it to the video. Now you can see the spotlight here. If you want to change the effect, or if you want to change it the settings, you have to click on this properties. Then you can see the size option, the first one. If you want to bigger the size, you can bigger the size like this, or if you want to smaller it, you can do it the mouse. The softness, you can make it the softness with the mouse. Saturation, you can do the mouse with the saturation. Opacity, same with the mouse. Okay, and blur, if you want to blur it, you can blur with this, and then you're all set. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.